Hello friends, today we are making this nice and easy cord. You can use it as a bookmark, as a headband, friendship belt. You can use it as a lace as well. It's a nice and easy beginner friendly tutorial. I hope you will like it. So let's start the video. I'm using 2.5 mm hook size. Make slip stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make treble crochet in first chain, chain 1, make single crochet in this loop, make 2 double crochet, double crochet, two double crochet, make 4 treble crochet, one, two, three, four, treble crochet, chain 4, and make single crochet in the end, chain 1 and turn in this loop, make 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet, make 4 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 treble crochet. Now chain 4, chain 4 and make single crochet in the end like this, chain 1 and turn. Again 1 single crochet, make 2 double crochet, and make 4 treble crochet again. First treble crochet, second one, third, this is the fourth and the last one. We have made a 4 treble crochet. Now chain 4, just last single crochet, chain 1, turn again follow the same steps. We are going to make a bookmark, so I have crocheted according to my book size. This is the last one, and I will show you the next step of it. For the bookmark, I have measured it according to my book size. You can crochet it according to your book size. So this is our last 4 chains. In the end, we are going to make a last single crochet here, chain 1 and lock. Keep little longer yarn for the end. Cut your yarn and I like to add some beads in the end of it. You can add whatever you like, or you can just make a simple chain lines and in the end give it a nice knot. I have beads available, so I'm using the beads for the end. Give it a nice knot that beads cannot cross it. I'm going to give it a nice 2 knots in the end. So cut the yarn. This is the one side of it, and this is the next. Going to add beads here as well. From this beautiful pattern you can make a nice headband and bracelet as well. Give it nice 2 knots at the end. Cut the extras and your bookmark is ready. It's really nice and beautiful. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos, visit my playlist Crochet Tutorials. Till the next video, bye.